Here's how you do a factory reset on a Sound Devices MixPre10T. I'm on firmware 3.02. You may want to connect to external power or make sure your batteries are fully charged. A power loss while the unit is resetting may harm it. If you're having any issues with your MixPre, you should contact Sound Devices support. Doing a factory reset is at your own risk. Here we go. Hit your menu button. Go to Presets. Select Load Preset. And the first selection here is Factory Default. Select it and confirm. It should take a few seconds for the unit to reset. Alternatively, when the unit is powered off, you can hold inwards the main dial and hold down the channel 1 knob at the same time. While these two knobs are held inwards, power the unit on. This should take a minute or so. Keep in mind all data and settings you've entered in the past will be erased. It may be a good idea to save a preset to your SD card before committing to a factory reset. And you're all set.